Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can delete a section in Editor X. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in simple Editor X, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to simply click on whatever section you got, and then just right click on it, and then just press here delete. Or like I don't know, I'm going to create a new section. Where is it? Here, and simply delete it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you any. Have a great day and goodbye.